Hello, good morning. Government staff laga office attendance or service delivery korage irregularities pishi thakia karne United Sangdom Students Conference kanbra koyase ki free headquarter aro locum sub headquarter laga under de thakia laga kimanda head of department aro subordinate staff kan ase dagan ge nije laga posting place te thakibole laga janeshe union bra concerned government officials kan ge nijer laga service toile bhal ba dibole aro public khan ge administrative inconvenience kan nathakibole laga janeshe justice aro accountability karne union kan bra time to time inspections kan bi kuribo goi ase jidi government officials aro subordinate staff kan authorization nathaki gana takhan la duty de irregularities kan paishe gole to series by to get deal kuribo ase union bra administrative khan ge janai dia ase ki student welfare aro public karne bhal ba kam kuribole laga janaise jiri public laga welfare aro student welfare karne bhal initiative kuri ase goshe gole do tade support aro cooperations kan bi dibo goshe Dimapur police kam extortion laga opor de duijon manu ke arrest kurishe goi ase aro bia kam kora ke use kora laga gari bi seize kurishe goi ase case to etia register kurigena ase goi ase aro further investigation jai ase goshe accused duijon laga naam doile Tukayi Chisi 31 sal aro Agawi Sumi 42 sal ase February 13, 2025 te Indian Constitution laga Article 356 Clause 2 laga hisab te Manipur de emergency lagu kurigena takishe. Union Home Ministry laga information hisab te nutun government banabo garne president rule do hele joa kali Wednesday din de withdraw kuri dishe wase. BJP laga MLA Yamnam Kachang Singh do hele Manipur laga 13 chief minister karne joa kali Wednesday din de Manipur laga governor laga presence de otto hele lushi goyase Union Minister of State for Electronic and Information Technology Chitin Prasada Bracha kali Wednesday din de tai parliament de janai dishe ke Unique Identification Authority of India khanbra identity fraud nokuribo karne murija manukhan laga 2.5 crore Aadhaar number do hele deactivate kuri dishe goyase tai bra janai di ase ke paradak manukhan murija shegole do Taibra gushiki chiti manukhan muri jaishu goile to identity float nohobo garne tai laga Aadhaar number to ele deactivate kuri dibi goi ase idu issue gole manukhan bra welfare benefits kan ge Aadhaar number kan unauthorized bra nojala bole laga janasha Tunsang Busti de Joa Gali, Wednesday din de Himdi Juba Chang Bra, Government High School do ele inauguration Gurishe Guase. Program de MLA Bra Gushiki, Manu Laga Argent Gold Aro Sincere Prayer Bra 57 years PG de Middle School Bra, High School de Upgrade Guruble Parishe Gushe. MLA Bra Wallace Council ge Janai Dishi ge School Laga Ownership Oborde Lobule Aro, Students Aro Teachers Oborde Ekta Guardian banawale laga janasha Ghaziabad Uttar Pradesh se Chouagali Wednesday laga Pujor de around 2 am nisna de ekta family laga minor chukri tinda doile 9th floor bra jamguri gana muri jashi wase police camera ko ase ki chukri khan laga suicide note be recover kuri shi wase kote Korean Camps toile charibo naparni koina likina thakishi wase Murija manukhala naam doile Nisika 16 Pachi 14 aro Pagi 12 sal thagisha Police kan bra idu laga mamla oporde investigation doile chayase Pacha laga babra ba koyase ke takhan do hoile online games kan PC khili koyase aro tas hisab te thaki kushe aro final task toile suicide laga thakishi koina bi janai dishe Olebi police kambra idu laga hatsa oporde takhan investigation kuri ase wala amnan ki janai ase Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Power KG Geniba Chagali Wednesday din de press conference te janai dishe ke chumukiti made cabinet meeting law laga piche de amikhan laga state te constitutional rights currently laga hisab te natural resources exploration kurubole ase goi ase taibra janai di ase ki idula mamla opor de organizations kan bra court te case file gurishe aro itu pending thakishe wase Hoilebi petitioner bra idu laga mamla doile withdraw kuri luishe koi ase idia state government khan ge decision kuribole laga allowed kuri she koi ase taibra janai di ase ki cabinet decision to hoile article 371A laga provisions de iko khilaf cha nai koi ase land aro natural resources toile naga manu laka hi do ase kushe short pra idubi janai di ase Koima Municipal Council kambra ko ase ke takala jurisdiction de business establishment institutions kanbra 2 to 3 years majot de takal laga license kan doile renew nokri gana ase ko ase itu garne takhan ge janai di ase ke 31st March noha ake de renew kuribole laga janai dise jiti itu laga orders ke comply kura nai gushu gole to takhan laga business laga license pe cancel kuri dibo goina janai dise Assam de Satya district laga jail de high security thakya biche de bi joagali Wednesday din de charjon manu doile jail bra polai jeshi ko ase police kam bra charjon laga tinjon manu doile aro arrest kuri she koina janai dise police laga report hisab te ko ase ke takhan charjon doile joagali tin de polai jeshi ko ase idia senior officers kam bra alag alag team kan deploy kuri gana remaining ekjon manu ke arrest kuribo karne kosis kuri ase kushe police laga preliminary investigation hisab te ko ase ke prisoners polai ja do ele security lapse thaki she ko ase kinaga takan polawole parishe edu laga upor de teachers investigation do ele itia jai ase kushe ajila kopor do himande wind up kuri di ase chidi kumba manu notun sai thakile moram bra subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi koina request kuri di ase thank you